All of us had been kids, and all of us prefer to watch animation movies. We enjoy it, we love it, and some of us really like to do them. This course about how to start it, how you start it and how you finish, but process about fluid process, right? And it's about main principle of the animation. You have to do something from the very beginning to the very end. Like start your road in animation and you will see how it's simple somehow to do your animation, and some principles are really fun to do this. And I really recommend to watch this to understand this principle. Try it, maybe it helps you to be a real good animator. Main principles you will learn from this course: it's spacing, timing, squash, stretch, also appeal or drawing, weight, and also perspective. Everything you'll see how to apply all these principles to these particular assignments. Assignments is so nice because they are very simple the way how you draw. It's you using animation drawing principles. Simplify the forms, make it flow and readable. It's very important. Plus, on the top of this, of course, is staging. Everything has to be so clear to understand what's going on the screen. We use the software named Blender. What is so good about this program? I love it, this program, because it's for free. It's number one. Number two, it's very close to original principle of the drawings. It feels like you draw on a paper, it feels like you contact with your character. That's very important, very clear. Of course, this course will be for free, but if you like to follow up, you try to do this assignment, you can tap the link of description of this video. Every 2 weeks, you will get new lecture. Just enjoy and just watch it and try it. If you like, try to do the same way. Watch and enjoy it.